Quiz fans, and welcome to this week's Quizology. Do you dare attempt to take on my questions each week? If so, you could win promotion to your own channel. As always, we start the show with the answers to last week. In music, what year was Michael Jackson's Thriller released? It was 1983. In geography, which country celebrates the Day of the Dead instead of Halloween? It's Mexico. In science and nature, pumpkins are popular at Halloween for carving, but what were the first vegetables used? They were turnips. In sport, Michael Myers is a name associated with the slasher films Halloween, but it is also the name of two American sportsmen. Name either of the sports these men are associated with. It is American football and baseball. In general knowledge, the popular Scream mask is based on a painting by which artist? It is Edvard Munch. And the picture round, the clown is Pennywise from the film It. And now, the winners of last week's quiz. We have two lucky winners this week, Break TS and the Mikey H4. You can find the links below here. And to 619 Spider Monkey, my mum is not the answer to all the questions, and it's spelled mum. And now to this week's Bonfire Night based questions. Who had a hit single with We Didn't Start the Fire in 1989? So who had a hit single with We Didn't Start the Fire? Gunpowder is a mixture of charcoal, potassium nitrate and which other chemical element? So gunpowder is a mixture of charcoal, potassium nitrate and which other chemical element? Fawkes Island is situated in which collection of islands in the Pacific Ocean? So Fawkes Island is situated in which collection of islands? Queensland Fire represent which sport? So which sport the Queensland Fire represent? Which P is the technical term for the art of making and displaying fireworks? So which P is the technical term for making and displaying fireworks? What is the name of this Denzel Washington? To name this film starring Denzel Washington. So those are your questions. Do you dare attempt to answer those questions and win my quiz? If so, you could win channel promotion, just like Break TS and Mikey H4. Good luck to you all. You can also find me on Facebook, the link below, and on Twitter. All other links can be found in the description below. Thank you and good night.